All right. Hello, everyone. So, in our previous video, we kind of finalize our chatbot architecture diagram. So, let me quickly open that. But before that, let me open my IDE, which has this file. Yeah, this one. Perfect. Let me delete this AI chatbot folder because it is irrelevant, and I just try to, generate something. Let me close this. All right. Fine. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, cool. So, till now we just try to create something by ourselves, and in a previous video we just finalize approach that we are trying to take ahead in order to create something like professional level, right? So let me open that architecture diagram for you. This is what we have. Yeah, so first layer is let me maximize this. Okay, here is what we are trying to achieve. So this is what we have. Client will send request through an API gateway, and then that API request will go to input processing, so where we will detect is that request has PII data or any guardrails rules. Any guardrails protection we'll have to implement that. That we will do it here. Then we'll have context manager. We'll need to do more research on this, like how we will manage our context, where we will store it, and how we have to manage it based on users account, because every single user will have different context, and that we'll have to maintain. So for that we'll definitely need some kind of database, most probably vector database, but that we will figure it out later. Then semantic router, which is responsible for routing your queries. Then you have the agent orchestrator that will route the queries to um, actual destination. Let's say if the user has simple query, it will go to LLM. Then if we have any specialized tool for that, so that will go to API tools and APIs. And then if we have any internal document or DB where from where we can fetch better answer, then it will go to RAG also. Then this is feedback and evaluation. Yeah, this is something we will have to figure it out. Few things I feel like it will change. Monitoring and logging will definitely do it. We might use this Langsmith, Langfuse. Uh, yeah, let's see. The memory management will be there. So these all things we'll have to implement. Just hold on a second. I have to change my mouse batteries. I think it's much better now. Fine. So yeah, this is what we have decided till now. But yeah, things can go. Things can change. That's what I want to tell you. Cool. So let's keep it here, and we'll try to reuse a few things. But yeah, definitely we'll have some setup here. So let's search about how to create a client. I think client is something that can be created in Python also. We don't necessarily need any chat UI, but it will be better if we able to integrate UI. But since we've already spent enough time on searching for UI and all this stuff, I think it's not right time to search for UI again, and that will be waste of time. So for now, I'll just go with a client library, and we'll try to just create a simple UI with um, simple UI with I think terminal. Fine. So this is what we have. All right, cool. So let me go to app.set. I think this UI is enough. We already have Streamlit and we are sending the request. Let me run it again. Python app.py. Okay, main thread is missing. Okay, that's fine because my app.py is missing. My server is not running, so it is failing to reach there. Fine, cool. So we'll have to run my agent first. Python, or let's say, yeah, Python main.py. Yeah, 90005 is running now. Now let's try to clear this up. Let's run it. Something main thread is missing script run context. This warning to be ignored. App.py. Streamlit title chatbot. Wait, what? The main thread script context. This is okay. I don't know why, but this is not working. Python app.py. What is this main thread? Wait, what? How to run Streamlit? I think there's okay. Streamlit run app.py. Okay. Yeah. So this is the way. Sorry, I forgot about that. Okay, fine. So I'll send some chat. Hello. Then it will do some processing here. I hope that chat is received here. And okay, hello, how can I help you today? Okay, fine. So, okay, now we have at least something working. We have our main chat. Let me quickly remove something. Oh, yeah, that is LLM tools, right? Let's keep it there. Then we have this API, which is directly calling our agent. Okay, okay, here's the thing. Now let me Excel draw something. All right. So now we have our chat that is sending requests directly to our backend API, and API is directly connected with our LLM, or you can say our agent, right? Query is directly going to our LLM, which is like Gemini Flash, right? So this shouldn't happen because we never know what type of query user will send. So we need some kind of protection layer in between whenever we will receive it at this is API server, right? So this is nothing but our chat, and then we need some layer in between so that before sending our or before forwarding our request to users request to LLM, we should check few things, right? Few things such as a chat shouldn't have PII data, or it should not have, um, let's say, it should obey all the guardrails. So this type of stuff we'll need to implement in this live. So one more thing, like we have mentioned here, it should have authentication and rate limiting. So that is something we'll have to figure it out. So is Streamlit enough? Let me search more about Streamlit. Faster way to build share data. Oh, okay. It's the fastest way to build an UI. Okay, data props, documentation, fine. Way to build and share the app. Okay, but yeah, okay. Now it's the right time to figure it out. Like, what do we? Chat UI supporting streaming chunks. Streaming chunks. All right, streaming chunks. Okay. I want. Okay, I think it seems like Streamlit also supporting it. Streamlit real-time chats. And in here, we need to somehow like send this chunk by chunk, right? Or here we are invoking and waiting for this, but this shouldn't happen. We should return something. Okay. Simple user string chat to show the message container chat input into users next. Streamlit. Okay. Chat in chat message. st.chat chat message container. Documentation. I need components. Yeah. All right. Oh, it's interesting. LLMs. Yes, this is what I need. Streamlit chat. Okay. Oh, perfect. What is this? YouTube embedded? Okay, I think this one is impressive, which has like 1K likes. This one. So I'll go with this. So let's try to install something. This is Streamlit only, right? No, this is backend. This is Streamlit. We'll have to install this, then just simply replace everything by message. And then, okay, another example for HTML in a chat, refresh the chat button. Container, okay, fine, let's see. Hello bot. Okay, fine. But it doesn't have this thing, chat UI. So for that, I guess next example is perfect. Perfect. Clear message. I don't want any message, by the way. This is generated messages. Yeah. Okay. Currently, it's not integrated. String indicates must be integers. Okay. For now, we don't have any audio path. We don't have any table session. No, we don't need this. Yeah, title is fine. All right. And then session stimulate message. All right. Hmm. Okay. I understand how the user check a track. Not this one, sorry. No key generated. No key generated. Line number 82. This one. String string indices must be integer. Okay. User Chat placeholder with container. I don't know why, and it's really hard to find easiest approach to provide a chat UI. Hmm. Yeah, cool. So it- I don't think Streamlit is the right option because it seems like there is something missing, and have I have a high doubt that it requires some kind of string indices must be integers. What is this? Oh, but still, what is this? But I need to figure out like how do I want streamed output. Our port number is 9002 itself, right? 9005. Okay. What is this? This is trying to hit, I think, root API. That's why it was failing. Let's see. Connected to server. What is this? Detail fetch. Detail fetch. Exception connection connected to the local server. Oh, okay, 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 okay. I think it's just trying to. I want user to query, and then chatbot will react. Okay, I think it's just trying to give me that Streamlit UI. I think this is useful, but the thing is, but at which port it's listening. post. So, reply bot. Right. I don't know what has changed. All right. Let's see if that works. Yeah, this is a Python AI agent, and this is UI. All right. Oh, perfect. It's working. It's working, guys. What has changed? Let's try to understand this a little bit. Fast API URL. This is your URL. HTTP host and fast API URL. Then this URL is going as a caption backend. What is this caption? I don't know. Request URL with message. Okay, perfect. Now, we should start supporting streaming instead of just you know normal response. So once we achieve that, we are almost done. Uh, we'll have chatbot UI, and then oh, let's see what. Okay, stream server deploy now for personal have okay learning perfect. Yeah, we can even deploy it from here. Streamlit, fine, cute. Uh, give me essay on my India. Yeah, you see the amount of weight it has. So this shouldn't be happening. Oh, what is this? Its UI is completely okay. I don't know why it's in the bold, but yeah, it is just trying to. Oh, perfect. Spirit, soul. Okay, fine. It's better, but it can be even better because we're just trying to return everything at once, right? This shouldn't be happening. Reason is we'll have to stream AI agent response. It is just awaiting it, and that delay is too much. So let me try to find out a way how can we stream agent invoke stream response agent dot stream event. Okay, input is something that will be giving. How does it work with API? I think with API it's not possible because with API we just return a response at once only. User input message token yield streaming response. Yes, fast API response is streaming response. Event generator. Okay, perfect. Okay, now it's much clear to me. um, what I need is I need one util function. What is this util? No, sir, not this one. Under the, I might not need this, or maybe I need this anyways. Under this, under this folder, let's create new folder. Let's say utils. Otherwise, the file will be just bigger and bigger. All right, and in here we will try to create util.py. Okay, and from here I am just trying to define something. Let's say async definition event generator, right? Perfect. And yeah, this should have like user message string. All right, and then from agent is agent chunk agent chunk stream. But we need to pass that agent also, right? Data yield. uh, I think it's better if we handle it this way. Let's put this message here, generator, and then I'll use this agent. Okay, and let's say I want to use this streaming event generator like this. Let me comment this out. Yeah, return streaming media. uh, yeah, this one, let me comment out this response to messages here, chat request dot message. Okay, perfect, this is fine. Yeah, we need some imports. Let's say response from streaming response. Then what else? Fast API, pydentic base model, because we need this class here. I think let's define it. here itself. Hopefully that should work. Let's rerun our, not UI. Let's rerun our agent. Who is Virat Kohli? Yeah, incomplete read. Okay, fine. But do we have client ready? Event generator. Let me write down some prints here. Print token. Wait, what? Uh, Something is wrong here. There are some exceptions, guys. Yield. Ah, because of this yield, I'm getting some errors. You see, this yield is here. Where is it? Not this one. This yield. I don't know where is that yield coming from. Mm, oh, wait. Format as a SSC standards. Correct. Let's see what's the issue. Item to the stream contents required. There is value error. Contents are required. Tracing the Google GenAI API. What is this? What went wrong? What we changed? Builds a graph whose input state uses message, not an input. Message. Ah, Okay, see if that works. Hello, here, who is Virat Kohli? And then message is going under this generator, user input, async, create agent expects agent input, chunk for chunk, check if the chunk project token. Probably some exception is coming in here also. So let me write down try, and then after this exception yield an error. What's that? Async chunk. This is what chunk. Chunk. Okay, let me print chunk message. Chunk I can see, not the chunk message. So this is what I'm receiving. I guess let's what is this data? SSC. Does it support SSC? Streaming response and hello here. Hello here I'm receiving. What are they doing? So chunk of items. What is this? But yeah, one more thing I want to try it out is this. Let me accept first everything. All right, cool. So the thing is that I want delta yield SSC lines. Yeah, in fact, it's not even loading. Okay, let me revert that. Mm, okay, 9005. We received this query here, but something is breaking. So let's try to track it down. So this is streaming generator, event generator, and then it has a sync message, agent dot stream. It will receive chunk. I will try to print something chunk get type message continue. Continue if delta. What is this delta? Yeah, I received this chunk here. this chunk has, it's not equal to message, then continue. Okay, if it is a message, okay, chunk of data is had message or meta, chunk of data. Problem is, it seems that I might not receiving something in here. What is this? SSC data response.join return, if not text, return. Okay, fine. Let's see. Print text. Where is this text? It's not triggered. So that means something is in my chunk message format. That's why I'm not receiving anything in this SSC data lines. I think it's this function is not even getting called, which is here. All right, some changes are there. Text deal assistant message. Let's see. All right. Is it a streaming? Let me let me do one thing. Let me accept it. What I'll try to do here is where is that chunk message? Event generator, then this message, right? So I'll print this text and I just try to understand how the query is working here. What is capital of India? What is its speciality? It's still not received. I'm not receiving text. Okay, all it in once. But why it is not in chunks, bro? Why it's not in chunk? It's the problem here is although it seems like we've implemented this stream type of pipeline, but it still seems that this is not working because I'm getting all the text at once only. There's no chunks. During the graph execution. invokes the model callbacks. So it's not a chunk in your UI because upstream is giving you one assistant message, not because SSC is split lines. Can't split the lines. Okay, you only get many SSC chunks when you get many LangGraph messages event. Okay, so give me one query to see chunks. If you want, you can add optional server-side splitter example by sentence fix. Oh yeah, yeah. Okay, 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 wait, skip. Yes, I want splitter. Right? Because imagine this is our query. Currently, it is just okay. It is split 12 message. Okay, let's see if that works. It's it's a manual way, but at least it should give an effect. No, it's almost same thing, right? It's just receiving the things. I'll undo this. I'll undo this also. I'll undo this also. I'll undo this also. Anyways, we have at least something that is yeah, yeah, you can see it is in chunks, but there's no difference in the output what we see. It is still the same. Yes, forget it. Let me clear this up. Wait. Something is wrong. Hmm, Fine. Yeah, we'll just keep it as it is. I'll just try to do some more. Oh, wait. What is this chunks card? Yeah, maybe it's not in use. I'll remove this. Okay, anyways. So, yeah, I think we have at least one UI. We'll figure out about SSC, why it is not visible. But yeah, let's try to understand why my agent is not capable of running it in chunk. Okay, LLM chunk. Chunk is if the stream is many small pieces, but the agent does not. The limitation is mostly how the okay. So yeah, what I understood from this description is that um, it depends on LLM also. If we receive chunk at once, okay. So if we receive something at once only, then that could be related to LLM calling model and giving response at once, or it could be our LLM model itself, which is not capable of answering all the not capable of streaming. But yeah, I'm not sure. This is something we'll need to spend more time on. Anyways, I think that's it for now. We'll figure it out in our next live